a stylist who's assisted somewhere before and you just felt like you were really just there to clean and hand foils? Well, I'll tell you, that's not how it should be. At Texture+Sage, we really take pride in the fact that our assistants are involved in every aspect of the service. Our assistants are highlighting, they are rooting, they are toning, they are washing, blow drying, they're stitching with extensions. They are involved in every aspect of the service, and this is how we learn. We learn by doing. Our assisting program at Texture+Sage is 3 phases of 13 weeks each. Each phase adds an extra day on the floor for you, so that way you can take guests of your own. So by the end of the program, you already have a good cushion of a clientele. What does this look like? In your first phase, you'd be assisting me Wednesday through Friday, 9 to 5. That's typically the schedule I like to work, and I pay my assistants $12.50 an hour. I truly believe that you went to school for a skilled trade. You deserve to be paid more than the average person. When you're assisting and taking guests of your own, you have the opportunity to make 40% commission off that service as well, which is amazing. So not only would you get those 3 days of assisting, but you'd also get that cushion of a commission day behind the chair. Requirements. Who would this be great for? So we hire based upon our core values. It's really important to us that everyone is like-minded and on the same page with those core values. Our core values are integrity, empathy, positivity, and a growth mindset. These core values are huge to us. These values are what our entire business is founded around. Our requirements to work at Texture+Sage: we are looking for someone who is licensed, who is positive and has an upbeat attitude, someone who's hardworking, and someone who has a flexible schedule, and someone who really wants to grow. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, definitely make sure to fill out the application. If you're viewing this on Instagram, you can find that link in the bio, and if you're viewing this anywhere else, you can find the link below. I can't wait to meet you. This is literally going to change your life, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.